Okay, so we're in just as sort of a reference shape to have in there so that we can illustrate the difference between Coincident and Pierce. So let's take the front plane here, and just so it's not in the wing, let's move one up here and sketch in there. So sketch in there. Let's just create a spline here, just for illustrative purposes here. So let's just say we have that. So if we were now to exit this sketch, and let's visualize the sketches so we see it. So we have that sketch coming down, and let's say we were to sketch now in the top plane. Let's make a new one, just so it's out of the way a bit. Let's put it down here. All right, so that's underneath everything in the plane, just to keep things clear. So we have that one down there. If we were to sketch in that plane, I'm going to create a point in the plane we just created, in this plane here. Let's drag it around, and we can see we can give it constraints here. So let's say we give it a coincident to this one. Now those 2 points are not in the same plane, so it actually doesn't look like it did what we think it would do. So it actually coincidented to the projection of that point that we made it coincident to. So if we take the plane that we're drawing in, let's make it smaller just to be clearer. So that's the plane that contains our point, and it's trying to be coincident to that one. So what it did was sweep that plane down, and anywhere this intersects with what we're coincidenting it to, it creates a point there. So if we look from the top, it is coincident to that projection of that point. Now, if we compare that with Pierce, so if we choose a point, we only have options of horizontal, vertical, and coincident. If we choose here the spline, now we have an option of pierce. And if we pierce it, it will actually go to where the spline passes through the plane that we're sketching in. So that's the difference between pierce and coincident.